Welcome back to some card stamping fun. Are you excited for the new catalog to come out on June 3rd? They let us pre-order a few things, so I got this birds and branches bundle. It is super cute. After flowers, I would have to say I like birds for card making. And then I'm going to use this birch background because I think it goes perfectly with the bird theme. And then also this Lovely You is a new stamp set, and it has some really great sayings. So I'm going to use one of the cute sayings in there. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you would like to see more videos, and take good care of yourself.
With every breath I take, oh God, I will praise you with every word I speak. Your hope I will sing, when I lie down at night, or when I greet the morning light. Love of my heart, praises to gladly I bring, with every breath I take, oh God, I will praise you. With every word I speak, your hope I will sing, when I lie down at night, or when I greet the morning light. Love of my heart, praises to you, gladly I'll bring.